Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel and another video. This is a clean with me, cleaning and organizing my kids' playroom. This room is heavily used every day and gets messy really quickly. I also needed to reorganize the kids' items into better and more containers. If you like this type of videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you won't miss out on any content like this. Now that we have all of that out the way, let's get straight to the video. The first thing I did was remove everything out of the room, the kids' toys, the furniture, as well as the belongings I had stored on the couch. This room is used every day, as I stated, and not only do we use this room for their playroom, but we also use this for school. My daughter is doing schooling at home, and as far as my son, he's not in school, but we do some lessons in here. When the room becomes a hot mess like this, they do not want to be associated with the room. They would bring their toys that's in there out of their room and play with it in the living room or in the office, or even bring it upstairs. So I needed to clean this room. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Sherry. My content consists of DIYs, organization, and lifestyle. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. If you're an oldie, welcome back. Make sure you like this video and leave a comment down below. Okay, so now that their playroom is cleared out, I need to sweep and mop the floors. And while that's drying, I'm going to go through all of their toys that came out of that small room. I mean, this is a lot of stuff. This is a lot of stuff. And it's not only in my living room, it's also in my office. And it's just taking over. And my anxiety is getting really, really bad because of all these toys. So I need to go through them and see which items I'm going to keep, which items I'm going to throw away, which items need to be donated. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the end result of moving everything out of the room. All this stuff on the floor is trash. These are the items that I used when I was mopping the floors. Please excuse the echo. It's gonna be louder since there's no furniture in the playroom. I love this Swiffer mop. It's so easy to use. I sprayed the floor with this bottle of Awesome. This is a bottle I got from Walmart, but the solution inside is awesome. This is my first time using the Bona, and it's for laminate floors, stone foam, tile, and vinyl. The first floor in our house, the floors are laminate, so I will be trying this out in the other rooms, and so far I like the results. And these wet mops I just got from Lowe's. They cost the same amount at Walmart, but you get 12 more instead of 24. You get 36. So this is where I got that from, and these are all the items that I used. The rug is the same rug that was in our office. I just moved it to the playroom because it looked better and it tied all the colors in. The theme color for my kids' playroom is black and white. This is a neutral color since I have a boy and a girl, and their toys will actually bring different colors besides those two colors to the room. I'm going to go ahead and put up the kids' books and my daughter's school stuff, which is right here. Therefore, tomorrow when she needs it for whatever subject, she'll know where it's at. We'll just pick up tomorrow because I am poofed. Organizing my kids' stuff has worn me out. And then we'll just pick up tomorrow. New hairstyle. A new shirt. That means it's a new day. So it's the next day and I'm getting an early start. I'm going to go ahead and get finished with this playroom, put everything back in here. Their toys just need to come back to their home, come back to their playroom. Okay, before we get started, please excuse the noise in the background. My kids are upstairs playing, so if you hear any bumps or sounds like the floor is about to cave in, that's them. So I have a small mini organization haul for you guys. I purchased these items at Hobby Lobby and they were a part of the Christmas decor, so these were 40% off and I got 3 of these. I've been on a hunt for these buckets ever since I saw them on Dollar Tree's website. My local Dollar Tree did not have them, so I had to go to different stores. I finally found them and I got 3 of these. The same as the bucket, I've been on a hunt for these containers as well. Particularly the colors. My store had them, but they had them in the green and the red. Either the green and red or the green and blue. One of the two. 8 of these. I got these 3 oval tubes. Again, I had to go to a different dollar store because mine did not have them. And they're a good size. Wire baskets. So 6 in total. These 2 baskets. These are some nice baskets. The last item that I have is not an organizational item, but it is needed in this room. So I just purchased these daylight light bulbs from Walmart just to add more lights in this room. All right, guys, that was it for the mini haul for this playroom. Now I just need to put everything up in its right spots. Tell a difference in the room. The light bulbs, the daylight light bulbs, a world of difference in here. But these are the containers that I did not use. I definitely need to get some more of these in white, and these as well in white. Try to find some baskets that are also in white in this shape and also the rectangle shape. Here is how everything turned out. So down here, I put my kids' puzzles in there. They love playing with their puzzles. On the second shelf, I have my kids' books. And for this basket, my daughter is doing sight words. So all the books in here are sight word books, as well as sight word flashcards. The third shelf is more like the learning and writing shelf. So this basket is my daughter's. She has her 2 pre-K workout books along with her coloring books and some other books that other educational books that I got from Dollar Tree. And this container is for my son. He has his writing workbook, his coloring book, his learning book from Dollar Tree, and they both have rulers in each container. This fourth shelf contained my daughter's school stuff. So all these items is what she needs for school. This rack right here is from Dollar Tree. So she can just come in here, reach for wherever she needs and put it back. And here are her crayons and markers, her headphones for school, and her blocks for math. The top shelf is extra paper and extra school supplies. And this basket contains my son's remotes, my son's workstation, and his remote cars, which are out on display. And then in here are just his trucks, his toys, his football. And here's his train tracks. Right beside it is his train that his grandma got him for Christmas. Another bin full of trucks. And then this bin is for my daughter, her food accessories and plates for her kitchen. And I left these 2 open to where when she bring her toys down here, her dolls or whatnot, she can just put them in there. This room is a different world when it is clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning and organizing my kids' playroom. If so, click on that like button and leave a comment down below, kids' playroom. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that those notification bells are turned on. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.